Hello, welcome to my P online class. Before we dive into probability, let's talk about the pre-requirement you need to have so you can fully take advantage of this online class. I can summarize the requirement in one sentence. That is that you need to know calculus, and I will teach you the probability. I don't expect you to have a lot of knowledge on probability. If you have, that's great news. You can move along faster. If you don't have, that's perfectly fine. I'm going to teach you probability from the ground up. However, I do expect you to have knowledge of one variable calculus. And here's an example, and I expect you to know how to calculate this. And I'm going to calculate the area under the function y equal x squared. So I have a 2D plane. This is 2D plane. X and y, and this is a function x squared, and I want you to calculate this area below this x squared from origin 0 to x equals 1, right? And if you know calculus, it's pretty simple here. Basically, you just draw a tiny rectangle. Your base is dx, your height is x squared, so this area of this tiny triangle is x squared dx, right? Then you need to sum up. You need to sum up all these infinite number of tiny triangles, rectangles. So I do an integral from 0 to 1. So this is just 1/3 of x cubed from 0 to 1, which is 1/3 of 1 cube minus 0 cube is 1/3. See, if you understand the example, you are ready to go. I think you can do a very simple integral for one variable. And if you don't have, I think you can move along as well, but prepare to put additional time to warm up or learn or relearn calculus. And the good thing is the calculus is really fun. I think when I was in high school, I first learned calculus. I thought, wow, this is great. Who invented this? This really opened up the whole world. It's so fun, so exciting. So don't think calculus is just tedious. Just devote some time learning it. There's really a lot of fun in it. Part of learning, preparing for an actual exam, really you need to have some fun to learn knowledge. And definitely, learn calculus if you need to, and it's really fun. The good news, there are a lot of free video tutorials online on calculus, a lot of good books there. About free online tutorials, like the Khan Academy is an excellent resource. And there are a lot of other universities, have free tutorials online. Do a search. So anyway, the bottom line is, you need to have some basic knowledge of calculus, and I will teach you probability. And let's get started.